Hello, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and today I want to pick this lock. This is very interesting. Next lock from Great Britain, from Richard. Thank you so much once again, Richard, for your help. Very, very, very interesting lock, real. The 3 pins left side, 3 pins right side, and 3 pins here. This is looking like 2, but here this is 3 pins. Felt very, very, very low. Not very, 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 but low. Yes, no, high. Not easy to pick him, I say true. Not very difficult, but not easy. Interesting lock. One thing, I not got this lock because I don't want to get. This is a radial platform, 3 rows, and I have just one lock from this brand, and in my country not very difficult. I don't know if we have this brand in my country, so I want this will work, because I have one story with very, very nice lock, and now this is not work. Okay, and I use these tools, hook for top row. This tool I make very quickly, to say true. Not looking nice, but work. This is what good. And tension not looking nice too. I make this very quickly, just for pick him. Okay, I think I need tools from Moki for radial platform. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we start to pick this lock. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we start to pick him. And I pick him this side. And first and second and third. First, second, third. Okay. First. And third, but out. Just a moment. Here I think something out. This side. Okay. Okay. First, second, and here. First, second. Okay, not good. And not good too. 1, 2. Third, I not feel on the place. And 1, 2, 3. But I'm not sure. Left side. Not sure. No, I understand. A nice first, nice second, and very, very high. Nice. Okay, but very, very, very interesting look. A real. So happy to have this lock. Like kid I am. So just a moment, I make light, normal light. So I not got this lock. I say why I don't good in this moment, and if this was one row, or if this was not a radial platform, so I was make got in process, but I don't want. I afraid one lock from Nigby because all manipulation with pins. No, I mean I say about Assabloy Combi, and I was so happy to have this lock, and now this is in block, full block. Need to drill him, and problematics moments. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Good luck. Bye bye.